What is up, you guys? We're back to another video. We're here at the shop. We got the FRS over there, and today I'm gonna be working on the Z. If you haven't seen the Z, this is what it looks like right now. It's completely, I guess, stripped from the wrap. I guess front bumper I had got destroyed, so I got a new one. It's over there from KBD. I'm getting a new rear bumper, which is over there, which it's a replica bumper, but I don't really give a shit. So we made some custom side skirts for this car. We're gonna do a whole transformation on this car pretty soon. We're gonna be starting off today. We're gonna do a new color for the year is 2020. I need to get this car done so I can start driving it, because I'm daily in the FRS, which I really don't want to be daily in that. I'd rather daily the 350 than I'll deal with the FRS. Because the FRS is, I don't know, I just don't want to daily the FRS. So what we're gonna do today is actually the exhaust. We've had a dump previously on it, but we're gonna switch it up to a single exit. And let me show you what we got going on. And we're gonna be putting this Z1 single. Got it used. Some guy had it on his car for like maybe a month or so. He said it was too loud. I don't care about my neighbors, so we're putting this thing on. What we're gonna do right now is just unbolt the old stuff and take it all out. Let's go and get into it. So we have two 14 mils over here by the white pipe. So I already loosen them up, as you can tell right there. Alright, so this is where we're at, guys. Unbolted that. That's the old exhaust. Alright, we're back in a little bit of a time, but I take care of some customers that stopped by. But now we can get back to it. We lowered it down. Took off the brackets. These are the brackets. Both brackets. One. There's three. Actually, they're 12mm bolt. So now that we have that, we can pull this to the side. That to the side, and we can remove the exhaust, the mounts, the exhaust hangers from here. Probably much easier. And then we can drop the rest of the exhaust. It should be pretty easy. Alright, so we got the rest of the exhaust off, and as you can see, it's kind of pretty. It's pretty filthy, and the reason is because I have a problem now. Yep. Axle boot is fucked up. Probably gonna try to do it myself and not fix this, because it literally slung everywhere. I cleaned up this line. The line was full of axle grease. There's still some there. There's pretty some up there. Alright, exhaust is back on. I'll probably do some outside clips in a bit. Small leak on the white pipe to the exhaust, so I'm gonna need to fix that a little bit, and then I'm gonna drop it and then probably take it out for like a spin or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this. I might install this back on, I'm not sure. It was pretty beat up. I had to cut that since being too low kind of scraped up and fucked it up and made it fold over itself. So, okay. Somewhat hot, but I don't know if I ended the video or not, but this is gonna be the end of this video with the exhaust. I just found out you can stick this more out, pop it more out, but I'm doing it because it kind of sits into like in with that new bumper that I have, but I'm not gonna show you yet. But yeah, we can stick this one more out, which I'm gonna do. Next, we're gonna be installing as an intake, maybe open it up a bit more, make it sound a bit better. But yeah, catch you guys next time. Keep it with the 350z built. We got the material probably coming in today for the wrap. It's probably gonna be, you know, it might be one of those colors or it might be the one that's coming in. I'm still not sure what color we're doing it in. I have a color there that I have that I might want to do it in, but I did just order another color today, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna be working on the FRS pretty soon too. But yeah, we're gonna try to pumping out more videos for you guys for this year. But definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep